Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Barry again with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating a unit, an AM 8-track out of a 70 Challenger. It is now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth. This comes from Jim in Washington, and Jim has requested the modern internal conversion to add FM and also the Bluetooth feature. So we're going to make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM right now to the one strong station I get, so let's go ahead and fire it up.
That's a shame. That mug was a fan favorite. Don't sweat the small stuff.
Let's check our
like making sure your
speakers
correctly in the right seat for their age and size.
Balance right, left,
slash the right.
Right,
Visit
left.
NHTSA.gov slash the right.
Okay, and incidentally, this customer requested that the conversion be wired to the original connectors, so we've only got a 2-speaker output, so there's no virtual fader control to worry about. So there's our AM. Let's go ahead and move over to FM, and I have all. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's move on over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay. Okay, now we on FM.
Me vas a dejar a la mitad.
Oh, your dreams come crash.
But it's over.
TrustedWater.com.
Me and my friends at the table do.
All right, let's try the 8-track. Alrighty, pull the eject and let you pull the tape out. Now there used to be a spring that pushes the tape out a few inches, but that spring always goes bad and it's going to end up laying around inside the machine shorting things out, so I always remove that spring. So let's demonstrate this thing again. Now we pull the eject and it releases the tape enough for you to grab onto it, but it doesn't shoot it out anymore like it used to. So that takes care of that. Everything's working. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old AM radio. I can add Bluetooth, USB, HD, lots of modern features. And so to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the website and the work order will answer most, if not all, of your questions as you're filling it out. I'm perfectly happy to talk to you, but as far as answering the same questions over and over from each new customer, it's just no longer possible with my ever-increasing workload. So please do that research before calling me with questions. After that, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Jim, for your business all the way from actually Canada. It's going to Washington, but it came from Canada, and we'll see you guys next time.